My name's Marshall. I'm with Simple Machine Brewing Company, and I just wanted to talk about the collaboration with the Guild that we brewed today. It's been a tough year for everybody, so we wanted to partner with the Guild on making a collaboration beer with them where the proceeds go to benefit. And then I wanted to take it a step further and involve some breweries in planning that are going to be opening up in Phoenix, hopefully within the next year, year and a half. So I reached out to Curious Beer and Barbecue, Ember Brewing, Kitsune Brewing, and Coriega Brewing companies, and we all got together and we built a recipe for a rye pale ale. Nice, clean, smooth, easy drinking rye. It's going to land at 5.5%. Brew day went really well. It was important for me to involve breweries in planning because I wanted them to, one, work with the Guild and be able to meet Rob and Kristen and get a feel for what the Guild really offers small business. I don't think Simple Machine would be where it's at right now if the Guild hadn't helped us so much in the past year, especially during COVID, but even trying to get open the year prior to that, it was helpful. But I also wanted the breweries to meet each other and start to network, and knowing people in the industry is what makes this industry so successful, and you can reach out for support and questions, share ideas, and they really come together. Like we are competitors, but the industry's really close-knit. So I wanted to start that off with it as well. So beer got brewed today. It looks like we're going to be packaging it in 16-ounce cans on the 11th, just in time for Central Arizona Beer Week. It'll also be available on draft here at the tap room, and we're working with a couple local bars that carry draft and packaged to hopefully have small release parties. I'm going to work with the breweries in planning to get them to come out and support and learn what that type of release feels like. Well, we are participating in a statewide collaboration to benefit the Guild as well, called Rebuild the Guild. This one we're doing separately so that we can involve the breweries in planning. It's a rye pale ale. Cleverly, it's being called Rye Around the Corner because they will be opening up hopefully in the next year or so. Pretty excited about it though, and it's important that we work and support the Guild because we're only returning the favor.
Go ahead.
Something funny?
Hey man, if Eric Walters has had this problem, then I can have this problem.
Yeah, Eric has that problem every time I work with him.
So go ahead.
Good?
Yep.
All right.